Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a dramatic photo using your own photo or whichever photo that you have. And to do this is super easy because we can use ChatGPT newest feature that's called images, and it's basically like a image generator that you can use. So once you're inside ChatGPT, just look towards the upper left and you will see images, and it's gonna basically say new, right? And depending on the time that you're actually watching this video, whether it's right now in the end of 2025 or it's 2027 or 2026, whichever, you will be able to find this feature, right? So how do you do this, guys? Just simply click on images here and you can see right here on the top that it says try a style on image. So you can just go ahead and look for the dramatic one, and there's also a lot more that you can choose from, right? Let's say a handful. The ones I would say it's more than enough that you need to create some really stunning images. So you want to go ahead and click on dramatic, and if you scroll on as well, you have some options here, and here you can find your images. These are discover things, new things. You can click on them as well, and you can see that they have some really cool stuff there. Now click on dramatic right here and upload an image. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna find an image of myself. Really, I have an image of myself. I'm gonna choose this image. I'm gonna see what it's gonna bring to the table, because this image is nothing dramatic, it's just me, and I'm gonna see what the AI can do. Look at that. And you may be wondering, what are these options? These options are basically prompt, pre-built prompt that are tailored specifically for these different kind of images, and they're super detailed, they're well put together, that you can really have confidence that it's gonna really create an amazing dramatic picture for yourself. You don't have to worry about coding this yourself or to come up with your own prompt yourself. It's there and it's going to do a good job. So let's just wait for it to do its thing, and yeah, we're going to see what it creates for me. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. And you tell me, ain't that cool? I think it's amazing. I really think it's cool. And that's it. So guys, there you have it. You can easily create a dramatic image of yourself using ChatGPT. And this is just a simple image of myself, as you saw before. If you have something that is even more crazy, or depending on whatever settings you're in, you can imagine what that AI prompt would have done to your image. I recommend that you go and try this out. Check it out. Create a ChatGPT account if you don't have one. And if you do, just log into ChatGPT and look to the upper left. You'll find the images and go and play with these different options here, guys. It's amazing. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a like if you're new and if you found this useful, and hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and looking forward to see you in the next video.